all of you, I am waiting with eager anticipation for this program, this beautiful evening, to begin. And I have the absolute honor and pleasure today of introducing our anchor for the evening to you. She is somebody who does not need an introduction. She is somebody whose name is familiar to everybody who is present here today. I'm absolutely sure of that. She has reigned over the airwaves in Bangalore for more than 15 years and has deservedly earned the title of Queen of Radio. I think by now you already know who I am talking about. Yes, it is none other than Rubina, that mesmerizing voice, the thoda personal touch. Absolutely, a big round of applause, please, to greet her as she comes in. And she is going to be with us here today to make our evening that much more enjoyable, to take us through this amazing journey that has been put together for us. Rubina, a warm welcome, and let me hand over the mic to the person to whom it rightfully belongs.
Thank you so much. Hello, how's everyone? Oh, I love this when the crowd is extremely energetic. How is everyone? You know, I've often been told that Bangalore audience is crazy. Is that true? I'm sure. That I have no doubts about. But I think we should start like that, isn't it? How about starting on like a crazy note? No? Nobody's crazy? Nobody wants to make some noise? Okay, let me ask you this. How many of you are waiting for the program to begin? Okay, I can see many, hands, but I think I can hear some noise. How many of you know here to whistle? I like it. Okay, so shall we begin, ladies and gentlemen? Since it's a very beautiful evening, I thought I'll start with a ghazal. I mean, the shairi, sorry. Yeah, are you ready? ये जो बदले मौसम का रुख है, ये जो बदले मौसम का रुख है, हमें कुछ नया सा लगता है. शायद ये मुलाकात ऐसी है, जो हकीकत है, फिर भी ख्वाब सा लगता है. Thank you. Okay, we've been promising you an evening that's going to be memorable, an evening that's something you're never, ever going to forget. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, presenting Rubaru. Can we give a big round of applause for Rubaru, please? So Rubaru, as I said, is going to be an unforgettable experience of Kathak dance, ghazal, and Sufi music. I think before we start, we need to talk about the guys who've made this possible, isn't it? So let's talk about MHS Solutions, okay? MHS Solutions is one of the fastest growing and trusted end-on-end real estate solution companies in India. Their philosophy is honesty, dedication, transparency, and excellence. While they're a group of professionals with over time have dealt in real estate management services, they also specialize with finance supports as they're associated with all leading banks and HFCs. While they suggest the best solution to their customers offered by associated financial institutions. While MHS Events, they are nationally recognized event planning and organizing company serving the purpose to provide one-stop solutions for all event organizing queries, and they proudly present Stage World, a complete production house having all the experience and capabilities of producing and managing all events. Well, their philosophy is honesty, dedication, transparency, and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, can I hear a big round of applause? I think you shouldn't stop. You shouldn't stop because the reason why you and I are here is because of our sponsors. And I think we need to give them a huge round of applause. And let's thank our sponsors. Well, Rubaru is powered by the Hindu Metro Plus. Anyone from the Hindu here? Okay. Awareness and Awareness for Mobility India, an NGO serving for last 25 years working on physical disabilities. Television partner Hathway HFlix. Radio partner Radio City 91.1 FM. Catering partner Dev's Guppa Guppa. Luxury fans and luxury lights partner Luxair. Well, I would like to welcome Ms. Ramola Joseph. She's a social worker and she's associated with Mobility India for 2 decades. She is passionate to work for poor, especially women. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give a big round of applause while we welcome Ms. Ramola Joseph from Mobility India.
Good evening, everyone. As I've been introduced, I am a board member of Mobility India. But more than that, I have been with this organization. I have seen it from its inception, when it started in a tiny room, which was only about 6 by 6. It was started by Mr. Chapel Kasnabis, who is now with the WHO as a consultant, and with another lady. And that lady who was his secretary is now our director, Ms. Albina Shankar. So the journey has been, I'm very proud to say, 25 years, and we culminated with a beautiful conference, which was on assistive technology, because from that small room, this organization, which is a voluntary registered society, has grown into something which is very enormous. And every year of the 25 years, they have done things for people. What is so unique about this organization is that Mr. Kasnabis had the vision to take the poorest of poor, the people who had polio, people who were suffering, people who had nothing to eat, and he trained them to become technicians. And by training them to be technicians, he gave them a job. He also taught them where it hurt, and having polio themselves and wearing calipers, they could be able to fit other people even better. So the rehabilitation process has gone on, and the services and the technology has increased. From the iron calipers, which were heavy, it's gone to lightweight calipers. Now that polio is almost completely eradicated, or so they say, we go in for other assistive devices, especially for elderly. I myself am a senior citizen, and I know that in time, we need either a walking stick or we have a fall and then we need help. So there are also home services which are given. And not just in Bangalore does Mobility in India exist as an institute, but we go into the smaller rural communities, to peri-urban places like Atibale and Jigni, and we train people in the community there to do similar work. We also have a huge project in Shamraj Nagar, which has covered many villages, and some of the work is still going on, to the extent that Mr. Azim Premji decided to give us a project there, which was for children, especially children with disabilities, to be able to educate them so that they can live a fruitful life. I do not want to take up too much of your time, because I know you're all waiting for the big event, for all the dances and all the other things that are going to come up. But I would request Mr. Sumit Mukherjee, who has been so kind to collaborate with us, to please come to the stage right now. I would like to personally thank you on behalf of Mobility India for involving us, for giving us this chance to make the public aware of what is being done. I'd like to present you with a souvenir of our 25th conference and also a small memento from Mobility. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please support them. They are doing a phenomenal job. Thank you.
I completely agree with Sumit on that. In fact, very recently is when even I got to know about Mobility India, and it was for someone very, very dear to me. And I must say that they are doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is an opportunity for us to very proudly talk about upcoming event, which is on the 19th of October. Well, the reason we are saying this is because the tickets are available. And this is a very, very special event. It's called Dil Ki Nazar Se. How many of you love music? Okay, then I'm sure you're going to love this event. I'm going to quickly tell you all about it. Well, Dil Ki Nazar Se is going to be happening at Devraj US Auditorium on the 19th of October. And the immortal genius, Mukhtar Shah, who is internationally acclaimed golden voice of Mukesh. He's going to be there from Ahmedabad. He's going to be performing live with passionate Rafi voice, Masood Ali, with Samanvita Sharma, Shruti Bhinde, Raghupati Jha, Govind Kurnool, and Shekhar Iyer, Pragriti Ganguly, and it's going to be amazing. As I said, this is happening on the 19th of October. The tickets are already available. It's available on Book My Show and ticketgenie.com. So are we ready, ladies and gentlemen? Shall we start? Shall we start? Yes, I think we can get better than this, isn't it? Shall we start? Okay, so we're going to start this very, very beautiful program, and in fact, we're going to start with a very, very beautiful little girl. She's just 9 years old, but when you see her on stage, she's all set to, set the stage on fire. Her name is Shaumili, and she's going to be presenting Ayat to you. So can we give a big round of applause? I think that's the best way to cheer her. Shaumili. There comes the beautiful Shaumili, ladies and gentlemen. Give her a big round of applause.
तुझे याद कर लिया है, तुझे याद कर लिया है, आयत की तरह कायम तो हो गई है, कायम तो हो गई है, रिवायत की तरह तुझे याद कर लिया है, मरने तलक रहेगी, मरने तलक रहेगी, तू आदत की तरह तुझे याद कर लिया है, ओ तुझे याद कर लिया है, आयत की तरह मेरे दिल की राहतों का तो जरिया बन गई है, तेरी इश्क की मेरे दिल में कैद मिल गई है, तेरा जिक्र हो रहा है, तेरा जिक्र हो रहा है, इबादत की तरह तुझे याद कर लिया है, ओ तुझे याद याद कर लिया है आयत की तरह।
Ladies and gentlemen, I think this little child deserves a huge round of applause because it takes a lot to come on stage and perform. She's just barely 9, and you know, I must tell you all that such programs are planned, rehearsed for a really, really long time. In fact, I know that these people have been talking about and planning this event since, I think, Feb this year. So you understand how much preparation and how much rehearsals go so that you guys have a good time. So I think y'all can give Shamali another big round of applause. Well, I think y'all shouldn't stop this applause because I'm going to introduce a very, very special person. In fact, the reason I mentioned about the rehearsals and the amount of effort, that's because I'm going to introduce to you Samanvita Sharma. You know, she, of course, many of you know her. She's a brilliant, brilliant artist. Well, today, of course, a lot of them know that she's a great dancer, she's a great singer, so she is going to be on stage. And she is the one who has conceptualized and directed this show. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think for that you need to give her another round of applause. Well, Samanvita Sharma, she's an artist par excellence. She's trained in Bharatanatyam and Kathak, and she's been dancing since the age of 5. How many of you here love dancing and have been dancing from a really young age? Wow. Anyone else? I just see 2-3 people. Anyone else who's been dancing from like a really long time? Really? I think we should call you also. Well, I'm sure people would be interested to see your dance. Okay, so she has, you know, when she discovered the love for Kathak, she continues to learn under Guru Murali Mohan and Nandini Mehta of Nadam. As part of their ensemble, she's also performed in several countries around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give a huge, huge round of applause for Samanvita Sharma while she walks up the stage? And a very beautiful piece that Samanvita Sharma is going to be performing for us, and that's called Yaad Piya Ki.
lost in love, remembers the good times that she's had with her beloved, thinks of him, wishes that he was with her. Yaad piya ki aaye.
याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए। दुख सहाना जाए, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए। ये दुख सहना जाए, आए, याद पिया की आए, आए, याद पिया की आए।
जो बने जो बने बीता जाए, याद पिया की
बाली उमरिया सुनी रे सजनिया, बाली उमरिया, बाली उमरिया, बाली उमरिया सुनी रे सजनिया, बाली उमरिया, बाली उमरिया, बाली उमरिया सुनी रे सजनिया, बाली उमरिया। जाए जौवन बीता जाए याद पिया की आए आए याद पिया की आए आए याद पिया की आए
Chota Sandas. We are talking about a woman who's decked up, waiting for her beloved. But he's not there. And when he's not there, whatever she sees around, which is beautiful otherwise, doesn't appeal to her. She sees a koyal, doesn't like it because when the koyal's going coo, 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 she misses her beloved. Beri koyaliya, beri koyaliya, kuk sunaye. Beri koyaliya, kuk sunaye. Beri koyaliya.
बैरी कोयलिया कूक सुनाए बैरी कोयलिया कूक सुनाए बैरी कोयलिया कूक सुनाए मुझ बिरहन का जाए रे पिया बिन रहना जाए याद पिया की आए याद पिया की आए याद पिया की याद पिया की याद पिया की आए आए
Very good evening to one and all present here. Thank you so much for coming here and making this dream first of Sumit's, second of mine, and third of all the artists who have worked hard behind this show become a reality and hopefully a success. Before we move on to the next piece, which is a technical piece in Kathak called a Teen Tal. But when I say technical, please don't be scared, it's a lot of fun. Before I move to the Teen Tal and introduce the two artists who will be performing the Teen Tal, first of all, it's my honor to introduce the august ensemble of musicians present here. Some of the best in the country, very difficult to get their dates, they're always traveling abroad. Some of the most respected musicians in the country, headed by this wizard, Mr. Praveen D. Rao here. Please give him a huge round of applause. We have Mr. Praveen D. Rao on the tabla. We have a beautiful vocalist, extremely versatile, extremely humble, fantastic human being, Mr. Ganesh Desai here, also playing the harmonium for us. We have, I think I'm blocking the artist, I have a feeling. Right. So we have this beautiful lady in the ensemble, Srimati Shruti Kamath, who's playing the sitar for us. We have two other artists, guest artists, who will be introduced a bit later. Now, to perform the Teen Tal, we have two very, very respected Kathak dancers of Nadam, Smita Srinivasan and Purna Acharya. Both of them have traveled all around the world giving solo performances, group performances, and several versatile performances. And they are both empaneled in ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Research. They're both auditioned artists of Doordarshan. They have their own schools and they train a whole lot of students in the art of Kathak. But before I call them on stage for the piece, our guru used to always say this, and we have repeated the tradition, saying that Kathak is actually a very, very interactive form. It's very easy for the audience to participate in what is happening in Kathak. I'll tell you how. Now, the tal that we are presenting is called a teen tal. Teen tal has got a time cycle of 16 beats. Dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, ta, din, din, da, trak, din, din, dha. 16 beats. So what the dancers are going to do is they're going to present various compositions, different techniques. They're called thars, amas, uthans, so many different technical pieces. The pieces can start from any count of this tal, but they always end on the first count of the next tal, which is called the sum. The sum is the most important beat for any of us Kathak dancers. So here's what we will do. Just now I said 16 beats. So why not we do a short interaction? I know that the Bangalore audience is very interactive and we see it all the time. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to take the help of Praveen. I'm going to do the first 5 speeds of this tal, which is taught to any beginner. So when I do the first 5 speeds, for each speed, I will give you the first 3 counts. Dha, din, din. Fourth one, you will clap. Every 4 counts, you will clap. And just so that you're not confused, Praveen, I request you to join them. So we will do it in the slow speed first, then we will keep increasing the speed till we go to the fastest speed, which is called the Dhrutlai. Are you all ready to participate? Every 4th count must be a clap from your end, okay? So I'm going to go to the foot mic over there, and then you will clap along with me at every 4th count. Are you ready? My dear friends, Smita and Purna will present the actual piece now. And the way you can contribute and participate throughout the pieces, every time
they do their compositions and they finish them successfully on the first beat, which is the sum. They will strike a pose, maybe like this, maybe like this, we don't know. They'll strike a pose and they'll wait, saying that we have arrived, we have done our job. So you can all clap for them every single time they strike a pose and pause for more than 2 seconds. All right? Teen tal for you.
Purna and I will begin this teen tal with 2 thats and 2 uthans. A that is something that we do as soon as we come on stage. It's something very soft, which uses just basic wrist and neck movements. She will present one, I will present one. Thereafter, we'll present 2 uthans, which are have a little more movement than the that. That. going to present something very interesting. It's a composition called a tripalli. So a palla is a segment. So tripalli is 3 segments. And what is interesting about the tripalli is that each segment is faster than the other. So we start off at a slow speed, and then we go a little faster and little faster. What is even more interesting about this is usually when we go in one speed, then we go double, and then we go double of that. But in this, it's not like that. It starts off single, then it goes to 3, and then it goes to 6. Tripalli.
We have Tihai. Tihai is basically a set of bowls repeated 3 times. Tihai. We'll next present a tukda. Tukda, as the name says, is a small piece of dance. Here in this tukda, what we are presenting, we have lots of chakkars, spins, and the interesting part here is that we do chakkars in 2 speeds, 2 in slow and 2 in fast. एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10 11 12
We now present what is called an uttan. This uttan has again got 3 pallas. They're all the same. They are not any different. We'll recite it for you. Ta thei, ta thei, ta thei, a thei, ta thei, ta thei, thei.
Thei ta 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 thei. Thei ta 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 thei.
Thei ta ta ta, ta, ta.
Ta thei ta ta thei ta ta thei. A thei ta thei ta thei thei.
Thei ta 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 thei, thei ta 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 thei. Thei ta ta ta,
Ta 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 thei ta ta thei ta ta thei. A thei ta thei ta thei thei. Thei ta 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 thei. Thei ta 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 thei. Thei ta 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 ta.
Wasn't that beautiful, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're having a good time. Can we give them another huge round of applause just to know how? Okay. All of us here love Bollywood, isn't it? Yeah, a lot of us love Bollywood. And Bollywood loves dance. And when you talk about dance, when you talk about Sanjay Leela Bansali films, when you talk about those beautiful sets, you talk about those beautiful costumes and jewelry and those beautiful moves, what's that one dance that comes on everyone's mind? Any guesses? I'm talking about Mujra. Yeah? Umrao Jan. Okay, so the number one song, any idea? When you talk about Mujras, what's the first song that's on everyone's mind? Absolutely. So let's welcome Samanvita Sharma once again, and she's going to be presenting Dil Cheez Kya Hai. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give her a big round of applause.
एक बार मेरा कहा, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए, बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। इस अंजुमन में आपको, इस अंजुमन में इस अंजुमन में आपको, इस अंजुमन में आपको आना है बार बार, आना है बार बार। दीवारों दर को गौर से, दीवारों दर को गौर से पहचान लीजिए, दीवारों दर को गौर से पहचान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी, मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। मुश्किल नहीं है कुछ भी अगर ठान लीजिए। दिल चीज क्या है आप मेरी जान लीजिए। बस एक बार, बस एक बस एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए, मान लीजिए, मान लीजिए।
Didn't she remind us of Rekha? Yeah? How many of you felt so? You know what? अंधेरे में आपके हाथ नहीं दिखाई दे रहे नहीं नहीं, मुझ पे लाइट नहीं चाहिए, आप पे भी लाइट नहीं चाहिए, बस मुझे आपकी तालियों की आवाज़ सुननी चाहिए. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we present another very, very beautiful piece. Now, usually the rhyming finale of any Hindustani classical repertoire, this piece is full of adakari together with brisk footwear. One of the most popular pieces with flavors of art from the Mughal art. Please welcome Purna and Smita back on stage. And they're going to be presenting Tarana.
Sorry, I thought you'd finished. Before Purna and I present the Tarana, very quickly we want to thank MHS Events and Mr. Sumitji. Thank you so much for creating this wonderful concept and this wonderful stage for us to perform. And of course, it's been an absolute pleasure working with these three stalwarts here. Whenever we have live music, whenever we dance with live music, we refuse to dance with anybody else because there's nobody better than them for us. So thank you so much. And the third person that I would like to thank is Samanvita. Samanvita is a great friend. We've learned together under the same gurus. And more importantly, we know what a perfectionist she is when it comes to organizing anything. She knows how she wants things and she makes sure it happens that way. So it's wonderful working with somebody like that because nothing is left to chance. Everything is taken care of exactly the way that it should be. And of course, you know, there are not too many people that I know who sing so beautifully and also dance so beautifully. One of the very few singers and dancers in the country. Thank you, Samanvita, for directing this show. We've really enjoyed being part of it. Purna and I will now present a Tarana, which is in Rag Bhageshri and set to Jhaptal, which is a 10-beat time cycle. Thank you.
da ma 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 da ma ga ma ga ma ga ma ga ma ga da 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 ma 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 da ma ga ma ga ma ga ma ga ma ga sa da ma ga re sa ma ga ma sa da ma ga sa re sa ma ga ma sa da ma ga sa re ga da da re da ni re da na de re na da da re da ni re da na de re na da da re da ni re da na de re na da da re da ni re da na de re na da da re da ni re da na de re na da da re da ni re maga 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 तन दे रे न द रे दा नि रे तन दे रे न द रे दा नि रे.
Before we move to the finale piece, which is a very nice Sufi kalam, which has been originally sung by Sukhwinder Singh. There are several versions. Takadum Bridge has also made a version, which is a slightly rock version. So we are closing with that Sufi kalam, after which, after a short gap of setting up the stage, you're going to have beautiful Sufi music and ghazals. So please do stay back. We shall sing till ADA asks us to go out. Once again, thanking all the wonderful musicians here, Shri Praveen Dera, Shri Ganesh Desai, Shri Shruti Kamath, Srimati Shruti Kamath. Can we please have a huge round of applause for the musicians? And also Viji there at the sound console, who's like the backbone of the entire setup. And thank you so much, Viji, for being here with us this evening. I would also like to thank my guru, Nandini Mehta ji. Nandini, where are you? Right there, okay. Nandi, I don't know whether I should say guru or friend or mentor. She's been everything to all of us. Thank you so much for choreographing the pieces for me. And I'd like to thank Purna as well for choreographing Dil Cheez Kya Hai for me. For this last piece, we have two additional very young guest artists joining us. One, of course, is Praveen's son, Surya, who's also already an established concert artist playing the guitar for us. We have Surya there. Surya, can you just take a bow? Yes. And we have my little one, who's not so little, Arav Iyengar there again on the guitars. The last piece for you, Hakalla.
हक्कल्ला
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 नूरल्ला
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 या अल्लाह
या अल्लाह
या अल्लाह
या अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
हक्कल्ला
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 नूरल्ला
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 या अल्लाह
या अल्लाह
या अल्लाह
या अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
तू अल्लाह
हक्कल्ला नूरल्ला या अल्लाह तू अल्लाह ओ हक्कल्ला तू अल्लाह या अल्लाह तू अल्लाह कब मोरे पार करोगे मोरे पार करोगे मैया पार करोगे नैया, मोरे पार करोगे नैया। हजरत निजामुद्दीन ओलिया, हजरत निजामुद्दीन ओलिया। दुखियन के तुम ही हो खवैया, दुखियन के तुम ही हो खवैया। भवसागर में डोले नैया, कब मोरी पार करोगे नैया, मोरी पार करोगे नैया। हजरत निजामुद्दीन ओलिया, हजरत निजामुद्दीन ओलिया। हक अल्लाह नूर अल्लाह, या अल्लाह तू अल्लाह। जीना मरना मैं नहीं जानो, वो मकसद को ही सब कुछ मानो। अपनी मंजिल पाने को मैं खाक ज़माने भर की चाहूँ, अपनी मंजिल पाने को मैं खाक ज़माने भर की चाहूँ। कदम कदम पर भूल भुलैया, कब मोरे पार करोगे नैया, मोरे पार करोगे नैया। हजरत निजामुद्दीन ओलिया, हजरत निजामुद्दीन ओलिया, हजरत निजामुद्दीन
Beautiful, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? Well, it's now time to call Mr. Sumit Mukherjee on stage. Well, how many of you here know Sumit? I'm sure everybody. Yeah? Well, Sumit is, after completing his MBA from Indian Institute of Social Welfare and Business Management, he was associated with multinational banks in India and abroad. And later, about 7 years ago, he started his own company called MHS Solutions. And now he started events, and he loves music and he loves events. And I must tell you something about Sumit, and I'm not saying this because I'm here. You know, we worked with so many event organizers, event managers, and Sumit is one person who's been talking to me since Feb. And I'm like, Sumit, time hai abhi. Like, calm down. Every 15, 20 days, he would say, you're set, right? You're set, right? I was like, the event is in September, Sumit, waqt hai. So that's how passionate he is about his work, and that's how passionate he is about this. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we give a big round of applause for Sumit?
Thank you, Rubina. Adab. Good evening. Sat Sri Akal. I will not take much of your time because already we are running late. And second up is Ghazal and Sufi. So we will do a small felicitation and acknowledging our all partners and all musicians, singers and dancers. Can you please call Rubina?
Okay, so can we please call our partners on stage, Hindu Metro Plus? Someone from Radio City, present. Thank you. Someone from Radio City? Luxair? Sachin? Can we have someone from Hathway Edgeflix? No one's there? Okay. Dev's Gugu Baba? No, he's also not there? Okay. Okay, he's... From Mobility India? Hi. Please give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. These are the people, the reason behind this beautiful event. Thank you. Someone from Mobility India? Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. Okay, let's also, invite Mr. Zafar Mohiddin, Mr. Prakash Jumani, Mr. Faiz Mohammed, Mr. Niazuddin Niaz. He's not there? Okay. Samanvita Sharma. And may I also request all the dancers, singers, musicians to please come on stage. Samanvita. Samanvita, Shruti, Govind, Smita, Raghupati, Purna, Praveen. May I request all the dancers, singers, and musicians to please come on stage? Samanvita. Ladies and gentlemen, I would also like to talk about someone really, really special. Well, I'm sure most of you who love music know who I'm talking about. He's often known as, Hemant Kumar of Bangalore. Well, his mesmerizing, melodious voice. Now, when he comes on stage, people ask for more. Do you know who I'm talking about? Yeah? He started off his career in Mumbai, and he used to sing with Mukesh ji. And in fact, it was the legendary singer Mukesh who said that he must sing like Hemanda. And since then, there's nothing that stopped him. He's done over 1,000 shows till now. Over 1,000. So ladies and gentlemen, can we please give a huge round of applause for Bablu Mukherjee. Sorry, sir. Please come on stage.
Check. Rubina, just a moment. I'd like to call our guru, Nandini Mehta ji, on the desk. Please, Nandini, please join us here on the desk. She's such a busy person, always performing all over the globe, teaching and training students, choreographing. Yet she spent time with us, time with me, choreographing the pieces. Thank you so much, Nandini.
We would also like to felicitate someone really special. Well, he is Masood Ali. He's the MD of WD Group of companies, Wood Decker and Wood Decker Properties. His family has been associated with Bollywood from a very, very long time, and he's a die-hard fan of Rafi Saab, and he's known as the Rafi's voice of Bangalore. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we please call Masood Ali on stage? He has organized many shows, and there's a very popular brand called Legends, and I'm sure a lot of you have witnessed those amazing shows. Masood Ali, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause. You want Praveen? Praveen, Ganesh, Shruti, please.
This is for our Heartthrob of Bangalore, RJ Rubina.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take 10 minutes break since, we just want our musicians to set up. So y'all can, I'm sure each one of you have a refreshment coupon. I hope you all have those refreshment coupons. You all can please head towards the counter outside and you all can redeem those coupons there. We'll be back in 10 minutes. We're going to start exactly in 10 minutes, so please make sure you're back in 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Only 10 minutes? Yeah, only 10 minutes. We are already running very late.